If you have not used it before, after watching today's video, you will start using it for your children. All right. Now this leaf called nchang. This is nchang leaf. Nchang, Igbo call it nchang. Why in English language they call it scent leaf. If you have not heard of it before, when you go to market, ask of scent leaf. Buy the one of 100 naira or 50 naira. It will be enough for you to make this this medicine. It's very, very good for children. It's very, very, very good. So what you do first of all is to wash it. All right. It's only the nchang. Don't mix it bitter leaf. When we are doing this medicine, don't mix it with bitter leaf. It's only the nchang you will use it. Only the nchang, and don't use water to wash it. Just wash the dirty out first, just like what I'm doing now. I'm raising the dirty off. You don't need to wash it more. Just make sure you remove the sand on it. All right. So after that, see what I will do. There is no water inside the plate. Please, when you are making this medicine, don't let water remain inside your bowl. All right. Don't let water remain. Look at my bowl. There's no water inside. All right. So this is the nchang. So what I will do now, I will start to squeeze it. I will start squeezing it like this. Please, I said again, don't mix water with it, and don't mix bitter leaf. Some people do use a bitter leaf on it. When you mix bitter leaf with it, it will not do the work perfectly. All right. So, but once you want it to work very well, just do it like this, like what I'm doing, like this. All right, like what I'm doing like this. See the way I'm squeezing my hand. I'm squeezing it. I'm squeezing the scent leaf. In fact, if your child have body hurt, just squeeze this leaf on that child. Just squeeze this leaf. Wash it like this. Squeeze it like this, and give to that child to drink. You will see within few hours that child will get better. And remember, these children do take sugary things mostly every day, so they need this nchang. They need it for their health, for their body. They need it very, very well. It helps to flush out excess of sugar on their body. It helps to flush out excess of sugar on their bodies. It helps them to look okay. In fact, when your child, just give it a try. When your child drink this medicine, this herbal medicine, after drinking it, you will see how that child, you will see the kind of poo that child will poo. It will be very, very dirty. The smell alone will tell you that this thing works very well. See what I'm doing? The way I'm squeezing it, the water will be coming out. Please, I said again, don't mix water with it. He will do it like that on his own until he squeeze everything. He squeeze. So just make sure you do it like this. Like what this is what I do to my family, my children. I do it mostly every week. Why I do it every week is because they eat a lot of sugar. So you need it. If you have not used nchang, please, my sisters, my brothers, go and use it. First, this time around, this nchang is somehow is expensive now. You don't buy 15 naira because it won't be enough. Buy 100 naira. After squeezing, you see that what will come out there will be very small. This one I'm doing now, I'll give it to my 2 children to drink. Now, this is what I will give them now. I don't need to start to look for drugs for them. With this thing, it will flush out excess sugar on their body and make them to look okay. All right. This nchang is very good. Igbo call it nchang. In English language, they call it scent leaf. You see how it's coming out. See, this thing is very, very good. One of the best herbal medicine for children. This is one of the best. If you have not used it, just go and use it. Give it to your child to drink. Take like 2 spoons or 3 spoons and give to that child. He will see what that child will, how that child will poo. He will see what that child will poo. He will see how the poo will be. It will be smelling so bad. As in, it will smell and flush out every dirty out of that bed. It will look okay. See, I've done with it now. So after that, what you do now, let me just forget that. What you do now is to take it like this. So what I'm doing, I'm done with my herbal medicine. You see the water that comes out. This one is for 2 people that will drink it. 2 people that will drink it. You don't have any side effects. you don't have any dose, you can take it as many as you want. You can fill it your tumbler or any cup, and you can fill it and drink it. Anybody can drink it, not only children, anybody. It flush out sugar. It flush out every kind of diseases from their bodies and make them look okay. Look at the water that comes out from it. See the water. So after I'm done with this now, I make sure that I remove the seed inside. Even if you give them with the leaf, does not matter. It works. Everything works there. Everything works. Please, like I said, don't mix it with water to do it on its own. This is how you would do it. Squeeze it with your hand, and when you are doing it, don't mix water on it. So the next thing to do is to add salt on it, and I'm coming out to take like little, very little. Put it down. See my hand? Just little like this, and add it. All right, it's okay like that. So the next thing to do now, I go turn it with spoon. All right, see, I turn it like this. Now I will give to my my son to drink. Like two, I'll give him like this spoon, like this. 5 is okay. I can give 5. I can give 6. All right, because they have taken a lot of sugar this time. Up to 5 of this spoon, because he has eaten a lot of sugar this week. Since Monday till now, they have taken a lot of sugar, bobo, ice cream, mineral. So I will give this mini one to his younger one to take. Herbal drugs before. If you have not used this thing before, I want you to go and use it. Try it, give it a try. You will see how it works. It's a very nice herbal medicine. God bless you for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, like this video, and share this video. God bless you. Bye bye.